Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Servant here. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell. And today we are going to be making this beaded bucket bag. It's a very simple, straightforward bag. It's going to be so easy for you guys to make. And yeah, so we're just going to get straight into the tutorial right now. So for your materials, you need this 16mm big round pearl beads, and you need long beads like so. You can make them any color that you want. That is definitely your choice. So you're going to start by picking up 6 of the big round beads, 6 of them like so. Put them all into your fishing line. I'm using a 0.7 fishing line, by the way. So put them in your fishing line like so and cross with the 6th bead. Then you're going to put both fishing lines together, pick up one of the round beads again. Then guys, look closely. You're going to go directly opposite that 6th bead that you crossed. I just zoomed in a little. Spread the fishing line. Then you are going to go in the opposite directions like so. Guys, if I'm moving too fast, you can go to the settings and reduce the speed so you can watch this and understand the video properly. So this is the beginning of the base of our bag. So we have 7 beads in total for the beginning. Okay, so I didn't say this at the beginning for the materials, but you're going to need tiny gold beads. This one are 5mm gold beads. So you're going to pick up 1 gold bead on one end of your fishing line, 2 big round pearl beads, and you're going to cross or interlock with 1 gold bead. So what we're trying to do here is build the base of our bag. So this is what it's looking like right now. So we're going to work with the fishing line on the left like so. I've just inserted my fishing line. I've switched it to the right because whenever I am inserting fishing lines, I always try to put it on my dominant hand. So with the fishing line on my right, I just insert it into the next bead. Then the fishing line on my left, I pick up 2 black beads and 1 gold bead, and I cross with the gold bead. Then insert the fishing line into the next bead or the following bead, pick up 2 black beads, 1 gold bead, and cross with the gold bead. So this is the base we are building up. You're just going to continue doing this until we get to the starting point. Okay, here we are. I'm just going to insert my fishing line into the black bead, then into the first gold bead of that row, and I'm going to pick up 2 black beads and I'm going to cross my fishing lines with the second black bead like so. So basically this is the end of our base for our bag. Now we're going to start building up the sides. You're going to use your long beads now. I'm going to pick up 1 long bead, 1 black or pearl bead, then I am going to cross with a long bead. So whatever long bead shape you have, go ahead and use that. It's going to work the same way. Then you're going to insert your fishing line into the following black bead of the base like so. Then you're going to pick up 1 black bead and 1 tube bead or long bead. Then you are going to cross with the long bead. So we're going to continue doing that, and we're going to continue doing this pattern. I'm going to show it again. Put your fishing line into the following black bead, pick up a black bead and a long bead and cross with the long bead. So continue doing this until you get to where you started. Okay, we have approached the beginning of our row, but I'm going to send our fishing line into the last black bead of the base like so. Then you're going to insert your fishing line again into the first long bead that you have of that row like so. So this is completing the row, by the way. Then you're going to pick up 1 bead, 1 black or 1 pearl bead to close up that row. So we're just going to cross it like so, and that is going to close up the row. Yeah guys, very simple. It's so easy. And we are going to start on row number 2 right now. So for row number 2, you're going to pick up 1 long bead, pick up 1 long bead, pick up 1 black or 1 pearl bead, then 1 long bead again. Then you're going to go ahead and cross. And now we are simply going to repeat everything that we did on row number 1. Insert your fishing line into the next black bead like so. Then pull it out, pick up 1 black bead and 1 long bead, and you are going to go ahead and cross that. Guys, I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but yeah, I'm back. I am back to give more content to you guys. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and make sure you send your requests to my Instagram. I'm going to leave it down in the description box. So if you have any requests of a particular beaded bag that you want me to do, guys, I say it in all my videos, I do request. So if you have any beaded bag that you want me to try out, you've seen a picture, you want me to recreate it for you, send the picture down on my Instagram. I will get to the tutorial right away. Right now I have tutorials stacked up for you guys, so make sure you don't miss all the videos I'm going to be uploading. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Okay, now we are finishing up a row number 2. As you guys know, we're finishing up with the black bead. As you can see, we are building up the bucket shape. And to start row number 3, you know the drill. Pick up one long bead, one pearl bead, and another long bead, cross with the long bead. And you're going to continue doing this, building up the bag until you get the preferred height you want for your bucket bag, basically. Yeah, so just go ahead and do that. I just switched fishing lines here because the first one was finished, and if your fishing line gets finished, just make sure all the 2 fishing lines are in one spot, then tie it off at that place. Yeah, so this is the height, my preferred height for my beaded bucket bag. I just like cute ones, cute small bags, but if you want it longer, that is totally fine, guys. You can make it as long as you want. Yeah, so now I'm going to start building the handle immediately. I'm going to start building the handle immediately. So for the handle, I started by putting 2 black beads on each side of the fishing line, picked up one long bead and inserted it on both fishing lines, and I'm going to group or hold both fishing lines together. Then I'm going to insert beads alternating between the pearl bead and the long bead so that we can create our handle. So you can make your handle as long or short as you want, but I ended up with, I believe, 4 long beads on the handle, then 3 pearl beads. So as you can see, whenever I am doing it, I'm trying to measure it to make sure that it is long enough or equal enough. Then I'm going to join it on the opposite side of the bag, so you guys can go ahead and watch. So we are at the end of the handle, and I'm going to do the exact opposite of what I did when I started the handle. So since I ended on a tube bead, I'm going to pick up 2 round beads and put it on each of the fishing lines, so split up the fishing lines. Then I am going to cross it onto the opposite bead on the other side of the bag. I really hope that made sense. So this is what we are going to have for the handle so far. And honestly, your bag is done at this point. It is done. But you know, you guys, if you've been on my channel, I always stress on the fact that you should have a firm beaded bag. Like your beaded bag should be nice and sturdy and not soft or weak. So we're going to enforce or strengthen this beaded bag, okay? So what I'm doing now is just bringing my fishing line to one spot, and I want to tie it off so that the handle will not be weak. So I just tied it off. So this is what our bag is looking like, nice and cute. So I'm just going to tie it off like I said. Then now we are going to enforce this bag so it becomes even more stronger. And for that, we are going to be inserting these little gold beads into the spaces of the bag like you see me do. So I'm going to pick up one gold bead, then go around where the fishing line is going to be entering only the black pearl bead. So you're just going to pick up one gold bead, insert it, one gold bead, insert it until you meet the fishing line on the other side. Then you can go ahead and tie it off. I'm just going to let you guys watch for now, okay? So this is me tying it off. As you can see, I just tied it off. Then I'm going to tuck in my fishing line. If your fishing line is still quite long at the end, make sure you try to send the fishing line into the next la up or down. I sent it up in my case so that you can continue inserting the round gold beads in there. Yeah, so I'm just trying to maneuver my fishing line so it goes up. So this is going to make your bag to be strong, nice and sturdy. So yeah, okay, so that fishing line has gone up. Then I'm just going to start inserting gold beads into the holes at the top. It's not really necessary to do it at the top, but I did it. And as you can see, the entire bag is full of fishing line, like short fishing lines. This is because whenever I do my beaded bags, if I leave a fishing line out, it means I want to use it to further enforce or make the bag stronger. So I'm going to move them around the back in a zigzag manner, so that the bag is going to look more and feel more firm. I really hope I'm making sense. Yeah, so this is me. I just finished with the top. I want to do the bottom part now. I'm just measuring my fishing line around, and then I'm going to cut 2 times that fishing line because I want to do that lower medium part and the bottom part of our bag with. I want to insert the gold beads inside, so I am going to cut 2 times that fishing line I just made around the bag. Yeah, so just insert your fishing line, you know the drill. Insert gold beads, tie it off, then go down, maneuver the twine to go down, then you repeat the same thing again. Okay, so I'm done moving the fishing line around. If you want to enforce your handle, go ahead and do that as well. So I'm just cutting out all the excess fishing line that needs to be cut off. And yeah, so this is a very simple and easy beaded bag. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys so much. You guys don't even know. And yeah, or maybe you do know, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, stay tuned and check out all my various and other tutorials. I see you in the next video.